Scene 1, Introduction. Behold the tapestry of time woven with the threads of wisdom from all corners of the earth. Humanity, the salt of the earth, forms a unified rice, seasoned by diverse beliefs and insights. True vision comes not from the eyes but from the heart, a gift held by those who embrace their humanity. Across deserts, forests, mountains, and rivers alike, our journey begins with an invitation to the timeless. Scene 2. Ancient wisdom unveiled. Visual shifts to historic moments in human culture, with a reenactment of Chief Seattle addressing his people. Our people know that the earth does not belong to man. Man belongs to the earth. Within us lies a deeper truth, a vision that does not fade because it emerges from the spirit, guiding us in respect for all creation, Chief Seattle explains to listeners. The camera transitions fluidly to an Aboriginal elder, surrounded by the Australian outback, sharing profound words with his community. In the dream time, the elder says, seated cross-legged while children peer up at him. Our ancestors taught us the songs of the earth, the wisdom embedded in each rock, and the stories shining through the stars. Understand, my friends, that your true vision is not with your eyes, but with your spirit. These are words that resonate beyond his immediate audience. Scene 3. The wisdom of the Quran. The world shifts toward a beautiful mosque, carefully drawn by sunlight entering open arches, while flickers of candles glow beneath evening's golden hue. A narrator speaks while an actor portraying Imam al-Ghazali gazes toward the gathered learners. As the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, imparted, the most beloved people to Allah are those who are most beneficial to others. The scholars of Islam kindly remind us, we must embrace nature, carry forbearance with us like an unbroken vessel, and nurture acts that preserve creation beautifully. In this, love finds permanence beyond sight. Vision blossoms instead deeper within. Scene 4. Eastern philosophies. Onto vistas of serene monasteries we travel, stone pagodas atop mist-laden plateaus, gardens quieted by reflection, while the Buddha preaches softly, the way forward lives here, within not outer striving. Thought shapes our mortal casing. With unclouded thought, Buddha concludes, during still silence that spreads among his focused pupils. Inner sight beams bright. It ushers resulting radiance pure. Reflect hence upon its ceaseless aid. Like harmonious flows, then puzzles, turn millennial ties, bonding oneself atop law cycles, sunlit years.